Welcome back to my channel. In this video I just want to talk about my brand new course that I just launched, and it's quite cheap as well. If you want to learn how to build a very hyper responsive quality list of subscribers, and you want to get insane amounts of quality traffic and want to become professional with email traffic, then I have a brand new course that I just launched, and the link's going to be in the description box below this video. You could get this course right now. Okay, it's quite cheap compared to courses out there. All right, some of the courses out there is quite cheap. So what you could do is you could like come to this page here. It's going to be the link's going to be in the description box below this video, and you could see what I am offering here. Okay, so you could see learn how to build a high quality responsive list of email subscribers using proven solo ad network vendors to build a real successful business. Access to my bonus hidden traffic agency that is very unknown but has very high quality traffic, works with low ticket, high ticket, all types of offers. Discover a system that will give you 100 subscribers daily without traffic, without funnel building, and without third-party autoresponder, etc. So I am offering very good, valuable stuff in my course. Okay, so if you want to learn more about email traffic, this is more specifically to email traffic, solo ad traffic. So how to build a very hyper responsive list of subscribers and start promoting to your list to make real money online. Like, you know, all the top gurus, all the top internet marketers and affiliate marketers, most of them have built their entire internet business just based on email traffic. I know one guy who's earned over 8 figures online, and he's built his entire business on email traffic. He's been doing email traffic for years now. So if you want to learn how you can build a real successful internet business from scratch using email traffic, and you want to start making real money from home and become professional with solo ad traffic, then I highly recommend you purchase my course. Okay, the link is going to be in the description box below this video. It's quite cheap as well. All right, this is just reflecting pounds because I'm based in UK. Hopefully this should reflect the US dollars, if you're, or your country currency. I don't know how this all works, but according to my settings, I have what I could remember, I have set it up to US dollars, but it's reflecting the pound just because I'm seeing this from my country, which is UK. But I'm guessing it should reflect your currency. So you could scroll down, you could look at the requirements, you could look at the description as well, giving you more details on what you can expect from my course. Okay, so I wanted to quickly take this video out and bring it to you. I know right now is holidays, so that's why I'm not coming up with some tutorial content, but I thought let me just get this quick short video out telling you about this brand new course that I just launched, all about solo ad traffic generation. So if you're interested, link in the description box below this video. You could get access to this course now and start going through the training.